Hello friends, thank you for joining me and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be making porridge beans and I would like you to join me to make these beans. So the ingredients I'll be using are dry fish, crayfish, palm oil, seasoning cubes, blended peppers, onion, shombo, garlic, ginger, and then the beans. I'll be using butter beans. These beans has a whole lot of sweetness in it. Without much ingredients, you can still make these beans and still enjoy it. So I would like you to try this butter beans recipe and give me a feedback. So the beans is selected already. I'll go ahead and wash and parboil the beans. And then when it's properly parboiled, I'll wash again and then I'll go ahead and add some water and then I'll cook this beans till it's soft for about 45 minutes. So the beans is properly cooked and it's soft already, and I'll start by adding the ingredients one after the other. So I'll start by adding the blended peppers, onion, ginger, garlic, and shombo, followed by the dried fish, the seasoning cubes, the crayfish, palm oil. Then I'll stir and allow to cook, and then I'll taste. Guys, the aroma in this kitchen is really inviting. I love making these butter beans and my whole family enjoys it a lot because the beans itself is really sweet. So guys, I want you to make these beans at home and make sure you give me a feedback when you're done making these beans. So guys, as you can see, I like my beans really juicy. I don't like it dried in case when it gets cold, so it won't be tasting dried in my mouth and also when you look at it. So this beans is ready and I've served it already and it's really delicious. Make sure you try this recipe. And thank you so much for joining me today again. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you and take care.